Are you done with your makeup?
No.
Well, hurry up and finish it.
Okay.
Are you done with your makeup now?
No.
Are you ready to go?
No.
Can we just go? You look fine.
I'm going.
Come on, you're done.
No.
Are you done with your makeup now?
No.
Can we go? She's putting his makeup on the mirror because that's him. Alright, let's go. You're done. You look good.
I'll wear my makeup.
You look good like that.
I'll wear my
You have on too much makeup already.
Wear my makeup.
Well, hurry up. Hurry up and do your makeup so we can go. Come on, you done now?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go away.